So here is Gigilli Cookware Woody series, and this is Aluminium non-stick cookware 9-piece set. It is really impressive because this is 100% original and it is made in Turkey. Even if you check, look at the wood, it is heavy. So here, this is the back. So this is one piece, which is the pan, and then you have a small saucepan here. Then the size increases, so you have bigger one and a bigger. This is the biggest one in this. It is heavy, and this one is something cute which I have seen for the first time. The design is also something different and it is really nice, right? So they are all in different size, and it can be a very nice cookware set for your kitchen. So these are all. Thank you for watching.